Skyframe is a developer and manufacturer of frameless sliding doors. A view, not a window, means first and foremost not to put the product in the focus, but much more the benefit and what comes with a Skyframe. It is about removing the boundaries between the home and the nature and bringing the outside in. My name is Angelo Razzino and I'm CSO at Skyframe in Switzerland. When an architect approaches us with a new idea, with a new design, then we start our R&D process. And in a very early stage, we already involve important partners such as Excel to see how we can make our drafts and our ideas into reality with feasible solutions and the right products. The good thing about using Excel Composites is that we never experienced any limitations or boundaries so far. With these strong collaborations between our R&D department and the Excel people is that we can push the boundaries even further. We involve the Excel team very early in the R&D process in order to be able to exploit the specialists' know-how. What we expect from important suppliers such as Excel is a very strong commitment to quality and leadership in production processes. Since sustainability is getting more and more important, the development and also the use of sustainable materials is crucial for us. The proximity of Excel, for example, with the factory in Austria, is very important to Skyframe for lean and good production processes. But even more important when it comes to proximity is proximity with the people. Skyframe, as the small company that we are, we're quite proud on the awards that we were able to gather in the past few years. Probably the most important ones are the Architizer A+ award in the USA, which is a rather new market for us, and that was a very important milestone. Our idea is to help even more people with a high affinity to aesthetics and design to find this view, not just a window.